Why your 3% mortgage is holding you back. Holding on to that 3% mortgage might feel smart, but if the house doesn't fit your lifestyle anymore, it's actually costing you more money than what you realize. In the Chicago and the suburbs, everyone's fixated on the interest rates right now. I hear it daily, from coffee shops in Lakeview to the barbecues places in Naperville. But I've got a 3% interest rate. It must be nuts to move. I get it. On paper, you seem to be smart move, but here's the tough truth. Life doesn't happen on paper. It happens in your home. Are you genuinely planning to stay put for the next 5 to 15 years? Maybe you think you are, but if your family is growing or downsizing, retiring, you just craving a change, your home might already be holding you back. So let's talk real numbers from real experts, not social media economics. According to MRED, home prices in the Chicago surrounding suburbs are forecast to increase steadily each year through at least 2029. That means that waiting doesn't save you money. It costs you more than $10,000s of dollars when you're finally ready to move. So let's face it, what's worse than paying more? Staying stuck in a house that no longer fits your lifestyle, or keeps people settling for less, missing out on opportunities. The market isn't pausing, neither is your life. So it's time to look beyond percentages. With over a lot of transactions and 10 years of experience in the Chicago and the suburbs, I have the strategies to help you win regardless of the market condition. Ready to make that move? Just let me know. Let's connect. Let's talk real estate. Number 773-550-4846.